How to get Snapchat AI to do anything you want. First, launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the chat icon and start a chat with my AI. Instead of asking very short questions, try giving detailed prompts with clear instructions about the type of response you want. One effective method is to frame your request as a fictional scenario or role play. For example, you can ask my AI to act as a travel guide, a history teacher, a game master, or a fictional character. You can also use phrases like imagine you are or hypothetically if to encourage more creative responses. You can also tell my AI the tone you'd like to use, such as funny, professional, mysterious, or educational. The more context and details you provide, the more personalized and useful the response is likely to be. Keep in mind that Snapchat My AI has built-in safety guidelines that cannot be bypassed. If it refuses a request, there is no legitimate way to override or disable those protections. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.